right, another fun day in real estate. We have two Frantz brand garage doors, a LiftMaster, and a Genie chain drive. I don't know if these ever had like an official name, but it's a model CH125. And I can say pretty much without a doubt, this is original to the house. And the reason why I can say that, these are the kind of people who kept every owner's manual for everything that came with the house. I got it as soon as the original homeowner selling it, but all the books are neatly filed in a binder in a drawer or a cabinet in the kitchen, and I found the manual for this. The manual for it, though, refers to it as a Pro 130, model Pro 130, or a model Pro 125. A model Pro 130 is a 3rd horsepower. A model Pro 125 is a 1/4 horsepower, 1/4 horsepower. So maybe that's the name of it as the Pro version. I've only seen these in brown. This is the first time I've seen one in white in person. Normally they're brown and they have the word Norlico above the little Genie logo, so maybe the Pro ones were white. We got the 2 wall buttons here. And we actually have a remote. I thought these remotes just came with like the Pro 88 models, I think it was called, Pro 82, Pro 93, something like that, I don't know, but the screwdriver models, maybe they just came with anything that was Pro related, or it could just be this receiver. It's weird the receiver's just hanging there, there's no evidence it was ever screwed into the ceiling. But yeah, we will go ahead and run it, I guess. Get a close up of that so you can see the back of it and the front. It's weird, it's a Pro model that doesn't have dip switches. See that little gold plate there is where the dip switches would be. But instead they're inside of that, I don't know. Let's go ahead and run it. Honestly, not terribly loud. It is a little slow, but maybe this is the 1/4 horsepower one or the 3rd. Got a little doggy door on there. I guess I'll show you what the outside of the doors look like. I don't know if I mentioned this, but the house is built in '87, and like I said, I'm pretty sure this is original. Chain could be tightened a little bit. Can you see the limits from here? I don't think you can. I have to close it for you to be able to see the limits, but yeah, I see one of these still working. Like I said, they had the homeowner's manuals for everything in the house, and I can say everything's original with the exception of that, the microwave, and the motor for the jacuzzi tub, because they have the receipts from when they had them come out, where they came out and repaired it. So like, these people were very meticulous. The house is also very much 1987 as far as the decor and the paint and tile and stuff, but that's just kind of cool. They even have the owner's manual for the door itself. That's how I knew it was a Frantz, Frantz brand door, because they had the owner's manual for that, like everything, like A1 homeowner. Let's go ahead and close it now using the same wall button. Oh, I don't know if I mentioned this, the remote, the battery's dead in it, the little LED. So I was gonna close it from the outside, and then I realized the remote didn't work, and I was like, oh well, so maybe next time. So now let's close it. Nice. I'll make a video of this while I'm here. Generally, I don't make videos of the newer stuff because there's so many videos of the newer stuff online, but I'll go for it. I don't know if this button's gonna work for it since they have one on the wall next to the door, but let's see. Oh, there you go. Ooh. Should pay more attention to that. This is actually louder than the Genie. I don't know what model this is. I don't know a lot about the LiftMaster machines, but one of y'all will in the comments. I think the model number's in the front though, where the light bulb is. Oh well, one of y'all will know. It's a Security Plus branded one, so I'll close it with this. Let's zoom out a little bit. So there you go. You got 2 openers today in 1 video. It's always cool for me to find older stuff. Obviously, because I have videos put on my channel, which gets a video every, 4 or 5 months. But it's also really cool for me as a real estate agent when I go in a house and I can see people have like taken such good care of their home. People, I mean, who holds on to an owner's manual from 87? That's like what? That's as old as my car. I just realized this. My car is an 87. So like, for people to have owner's manuals for that long and everything so neatly put away, people just don't do that anymore. So to come in a house and see that's super cool for me. So I've actually had a lot of fun today just because they have the original intercom system in it, the original, like I said, everything. The stuff that's been replaced is the motor for the jacuzzi tub, this opener, and the microwave. So if you take care of stuff, it lasts a long time. I think I'm gonna wrap up this video with that. Thank you for watching. That light just went off. And have a good day.